In this video, we are going to see the topic reports. Generally, what are reports? Reports are visualizations of your data that you can share with the users on dashboards, service portals, export to PDF, and etc. Here we will see how to create and configure the reports in ServiceNow. In order to navigate, type reports on application navigator. Click on view and run. Here, group, global, and all tabs contain a list of reports. The logged in user is authorized to view and run. Click on create a report. This is the report designer user interface. Users with a report or admin role can edit and save the reports. There are 4 tabs in report designer. They are data, type, configure, and style. Data is nothing but the data source for our reports. Type is nothing but it's a visualizations of our reports such as bar, pie, and etc. And the next one is configure. Here we can configure the reports based on the report type. And the last one is style. Here we can configure the report appearance. We will start with creating a new report. We are going to create a report based on the priority of incidents. So just give the name as priority incidents. And here we can see that there are 2 options are available under source type. They are table and the data source. Table, it includes all the records from the table, and the data source, it's a filtered sets of table data. Here we can see that there are predefined filtered data sets are available like incidents.closed, incident.resolved, problems.open, and etc. In this scenario, we will go with table. Select table as incident and click on next. Here in the type, the report types are organized by groups. Here we can see that there are a lot of types are available. They are bars, pies and donuts, time series, and etc. Here we will go with bar chart and click on next. The configure tab options are dependent on report type. In our scenario, we need to get the incidents based on the priority. So instead of active in the group by field, type priority and just run the report. Here we can see that we get the incidents based on the priority, critical, planning, moderate, low, and high. If you want to get the priority of incidents based on the category, type filter icon and select category in the field. Type select software and run the report. Here we can see that we get the incidents based on the priority and category. If we change the category from software to hardware and run the report, the reports will vary based on the category. Yeah, this is how we will configure the conditions for our reports. Next to that, we need to style our report. So click on next. The options on the style tab are dependent on the selected report type. Here we can change the appearance of our reports. Instead of use one color, use color palette and change the palette to green to light or something else and click on new run. Here we can see that the report's appearance will be varied based on the style that we have selected. We can change the style to some other and click on run. Yeah, this is how we can configure the appearance of our reports. Just save the report. Once we're done with the report, we can share our report, schedule, and add to dashboard, and we can export our report to PDF. In this scenario, we are going to add our reports to the dashboard. So click on add to dashboard, select the dashboard. This is the dashboard which I have created for this use case, and click on add. Oh, here we can see that the report is get added to our dashboard. This is all about the reports and adding our reports to the dashboard. Thank you so much for watching these videos.